Good afternoon, dear viewers. I'm happy to welcome you to Sovelmash channel. This is Alexander Sudarev as always. And today we have a tractor in the video, no matter how it sounds. We finally received the long-awaited container from China. It is over there. I hope you can still hear me. Loading is now underway. Part of it has already been unloaded. This multifunctional loader. It will allow us to work with the clearing of the territory, loading and unloading of specialized equipment that will come to us, to our enterprise. Its advantage is that it is quite small, compact, and it will pass through our building without any problems. In addition to the main bucket, additional attachments arrived. They can be used for different purposes: brushes to clean the area, forks, and so on and so forth. In addition to that, importantly, the revolving door has arrived. I think that many of you have seen them in shopping centers. Revolving doors, they cut off the cold and keep it from coming inside a building, but it still allows access to the building. It's going to be in the administrative and utility building, there where the main entrance area is now. In addition to that, the guys are now unloading all the little things that have arrived. Well, on Monday, it's pretty hot here in the enterprise, despite the open gates. Let's take a walk around the enterprise and see what kind of work is going on right now. The coal distribution section. It's pretty hot in here. I think we can go in now, see what they're doing. Well, actually, it would seem that all the work has already been completed in the individual thermal unit, but it has not. First of all, they finished marking, and now they're working on ventilation communications, and there are quite a lot of them throughout the building. Even though we tell you about it in almost every video, the amount of work is just titanic. But you can see that it is moving towards its logical end. Let's move on. And these are just the attachments, if I may say so, for our multi-purpose loader. As you can see, there are special augers for snow removal, which is very relevant. And let's say it will save us money when performing this task. Well, and there is something else here as well. Let's go have a look at the doors. The doors we told you about, and the manufacturing equipment too. Small, but very useful. among other things, the work doesn't stop on the machine tools. Here is our Sergey. Let's find out what he's doing. Sergey, what are you doing here? Let me put a microphone on you. Tell me what is going on. Now there are turning works to make a hub for the rotor of the motor wheel. You can see the blanks right here. They were sawed with a band saw. Here is a half-finished part. It is for the first setup. Here are 4 parts which are already fully machined in the 2 setups. Well, and I want to finish today's video with this, and in this very place. The doors that you saw in the packaged version will stand here, and we will install all those good things. Of course, first of all, it will look very nice. And of course, as we said earlier, it will effectively cut off the heat or the cold. In fact, all of what we have shown to you today, it is not all the activities, events and tasks that our builders, employees and others are doing right now. The preparation of documents for the completion of the construction project is in full swing. This procedure has already begun, and let's say the responsible persons, representatives of our general contractor, contractors involved in the work, our responsible employees and all others involved, they have visited us. It also included Stroy, and let's say the process is underway. It's not quick, it's complicated. I would even say that it's a difficult process, but nevertheless, I'm sure that we will successfully cope with it and deal with it. Now our task is to prepare the facility as much as possible for the scheduled date, and then we will see what we can do. But in any case, all actions are taken in a format, in order to maximize efficiency and correctly and properly approach the process of commissioning the facility to the State Commission. Let's not forget that after that, of course, they will be handing over of the facility to the Commission, which will take it into operation. And many people have some misunderstanding here. We can even say that people are kind of confused. Completion of the construction facility. It is everything which is about engineering, communications, the box of the building, construction of the building. The next stage is the commissioning of the facility as an enterprise with production facilities, that is, machines, all our facilities, all our equipment. Therefore, the process are just like that. Today we are still finishing. We are working with tiles. In bathrooms they are being laid. Walls are being prepared for painting on the 2nd floor. Small defects are being eliminated. The work continues on the 3rd floor. On the 2nd floor of the administrative and utility building, the enclosing structures have already been assembled. They are room partitions, panels, and so on. On the 3rd floor of the production part of the building, the work is not stopping. It is going on in full swing. Dry screeding of the floor continues to be carried out. We are preparing to accept the production equipment for SMT assembly, boards and microelectronics, and of course the work is going on with ventilation communications. We have already shown it many times, and I will tell you once again, it is ventilation itself, it is air conditioning, it is installation of refrigeration units, and of course the installation of heating, radiators and wiring for them, where it has not been done yet. Okay, we will not take more of your time. I talked a lot today, I guess it's just that kind of day. I hope you found the video useful and enjoyable to watch. Thank you for your support, see you again, and of course do not forget that the speed of the work depends on all of us. See you all again.